Hello everyone, this is Rajneesh and I welcome you all to another video on analysis of the trades taken for the day. So the day is 3rd of May 2024 and the day is Friday, last working day of this week. So coming to the Bank Nifty, today we had close to 130 points of gap up opening and followed by 300 plus points of candle. First candle was a very bullish candle of 210 points. 210 points candle breaking the previous day high also. Bank Nifty closed above the previous day high, and wherein Nifty was making a very small doji kind of candles, and there is no momentum at all. When we come to Nifty, we see Nifty consolidating in a range, and this red line is a all-time high. It's an all-time high, and previously also we have seen Nifty getting rejected from the all-time high. So this was the level it tried attempted, and here it attempted, and we see a very massive fall. 700 for the Bank Nifty, we saw 125 points, and Nifty also we had a very great fall. And today also don't see the momentum stopping. A very scary downfall is there from Nifty and Bank Nifty both. So again today also it was like consolidating in a range, which is a red flag for us entering a long trade. See, already Nifty had opened gap up, and it had opened somewhere around close to 110 points. And for Nifty, 110 points of gap up, and it really does matter. For Bank Nifty, 100, 150 point doesn't matter, but Nifty opening up gap up 100 to 110, 20 points, it really matters. And after opening, we have 100, 110 point. We don't expect the continuous rally on the same way. See, if this was a flat opening and 1, 2, 3, 4 candles happens to break out to the all-time high, then we could have got confirmed that yes, the Bank Nifty or Nifty is heading higher and higher. But that was not the case today, and it was making consolidating in a range and making very small candles. There was no volumes at all supporting these moves. So we initially had plan for no long trades. We had only initially for a short trades only. I entered very close of the first candle itself. Reason for entering the first low candle itself was because check the points from the previous day close. Bank Nifty had already moved 0.61 to 0.7%. It was somewhere on second candle. It was a 0.7%. So usually daily range for Bank Nifty is 0.3% to 0.4. And this is percentage 0.3 percentage to 0.4 percentage in the very opening, and within a few minutes of time Bank Nifty is up by 0.7%. Then we don't expect Bank Nifty to head again 1 or 1.5%. 1.5 to 1.5% is not normal. We cannot have trending session very from the very opening. That too when Bank Nifty is already at the all-time high, and it is making consolidating with no volumes on the top range. In such a scenario, planning long trade was not at all feasible. So we planned only short trade, and the very first candle, though it made a very bullish candle, we were confirmed that we'll be entering only short trade. So we entered somewhere around here by stacking. First we got 90 quantity, and again second we got 30 quantity, 45 quantity, and third lot also we should have entered 45 quantity, but unfortunately I forgot to edit the quantity and it was only 15 quantity entered, and which I got to know later that it is only 15 quantity entered. So not an issue. We got a very beautiful points, and we had a CPR support over here and previous day close support here, and which is very strong resistance, strong support here. strong support. We booked here, we got 100 points and we exited the trade. And we thought if Bank Nifty was making any, taking any support and making any bullish candle, reversal candle, then we would not have entered the second trade. But for people who missed any first rally, then they could have easily entered into this second trade if Bank Nifty was taking support on the CPR or previous day close. Even though if it had the price could have crossed the CPR and the previous day close, then the momentum should have somewhere or ended here. Here we got though two green candles, but it was not a reversal candles. See, when we plan for a reversal, always look for reversal candle, not only the green candles. It must signal some strong trend change. In some other videos, we plan for making a separate video for any such kind of trend reversal candlestick patterns. Okay. So as far as our analysis for today, why we entered the short over here, because already Bank Nifty had rallied 0.7%. 0.7% already rallied. And second point was Nifty consolidating at all-time high. Okay, these were the two primary reasons, and we were looking for short trade only, and we have successfully hit our target, and we booked somewhere around 100 plus net points. So risk to reward was 1:2. Very good risk to reward ratio we have got today, and we booked a net profit of 14,859, and 200 rupees and change of brokerage needs to be reduced in this one. And coming back to the quantities, first 90 quantity and 45 quantities, and here it was to be edited to 45, and to the misfortune it was left over, and we ended up taking only 15 quantity. That we got to know, realize later, when the already price had rallied more than 15%, 50% of thing. There was no point in adding quantities on the profit booking zone, so we left it as it is. So it was totally 150 quantities, so not an issue. We booked it 475 on an average, so close to 99% of 99 points average. Average is from the position, it was 99%. If it was a totally 100 points, it would have been 15,000. So short of 41 rupees, it is uh, yes, it was almost 99 points we have booked the profit. Okay, and second thing, when from the top, the 50% we calculated it to be somewhere around the blue line. We were waiting for this candle to close below the blue line so that we get the confirmation trade. And if at all, if Bank Nifty happens to reverse from here and again closes above this blue candle, then we would have exited the trade, either at no loss, no profit, or at minimum profit. We would have not waited for getting the SL hit. So this was the basic analysis. Once it moves in your favor and it crosses and closes below the 50% of the total length of the covered length of Bank Nifty, then you would have not taken SL, you would have exited cost to cost. Okay. To our surprise, but Bank Nifty had continuously rallied without taking any retracement, almost till here. And even downside seems to be very scary, because even the 49th 150 was a very good support over here. Even this support was broken. See, this is not a reversal. Always remember, this is not a reversal, because do we find any reversal candle here? No. And if this red candle happened to be a green candle, then this would be a reversal candle. And this size of red reversal candle we would not be considering, and a major reversal candle would be a very good with very good length, and this would be green. And this should be at somewhere around the major support or major support. Yes, of course, this 46,000, 48,638 is a support, but we didn't find any such reversal candle, though it had reversed to some 10 to 20%. These reversals are not successful. So this is only a pullback, not a reversal. So we'll cover in some next videos how the reversal happens and what would be the candlestick patterns and how things go for a reversal. We would be planning in some other next videos. So this was a simple pullback, and I don't think the exhaustion of any momentum for Bank Nifty and Nifty, as the way it is heading down, we don't see any exhaustion in the moment. Okay, we might see more than 1% of fall for both Nifty and Bank Nifty today. So time is already 1.8, and we have already closed for the day at I guess, yeah, by 10.5 we have closed already a trade. With less than of 50 minutes of time we have closed the trade. So we're not entering any trade today. This is done for the trade. Okay, so hope you got the points for the today, and please make sure to note down the points whatever we discuss in the analysis video, so that you keep it handy whenever such patterns appear on the charts. You can recall them easily. So till then, see you in the next video. Have a good bye.